Right, so I cancelled my Spotify subscription and I went hunting for what actually replaces it in 2026. It turns out there are three really good ways to go: one free, one that sounds genuinely better, and one where you stop paying anyone forever. Let me show you which is which. Before we dive in, here's what a real Spotify replacement actually needs: play in the order you pick, screen off and keeps playing, the full catalogue, downloads for offline, and little or no monthly fee. If it ticks all five, it's a real option. Less than that, it's just a music player. The first option is the easiest. YouTube Music has the biggest library going. Pair it with an open source front end, Metrolist, Outertune, VV, and you get all of it. No ads, downloads, and background play, completely free. And the verdict for most people, this is what I'd grab. The catch: it's still YouTube under the hood. Now, if quality matters, Spotify's actually the worst sounding of the major paid services. Apple Music gives you lossless, Tidal gives you high res, Qobuz tops out at 24-bit, properly audiophile-grade. The verdict: Qobuz for the sound nerds, Tidal for catalog plus high res. And the catch is you need decent headphones to actually hear it. Now, the proper move: self-hosting. Put your music on a £100 mini PC, run Plex or Navidrome, stream it to your phone anywhere with Plexamp. The verdict: the bills stop for good and the music actually belongs to you. The catch is there's a real setup curve. You're the admin now. So if I'd had to pick one, here's where I land. For most people, YouTube Music plus Metrolist, no fee, done. If you care about sound, Qobuz, no compromise. If you love tinkering, Navidrome, own it forever. Pick what fits your life, not the hype. Thanks for watching.